Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be working on these two small Portulacaria afras. Just going to give them some light maintenance pruning, nothing major. Um, just another day in the daily journal of taking care of bonsai trees. Just cleaning up some of the dead leaves that have dropped over the last few weeks. They do drop some, when they're inside and even outside. Just a natural course of growing. Sometimes if it doesn't get enough light, which happens inside because it's really hard to get enough light, especially on my tables or my shelves. They're kind of overpopulated, you could say. Got a lot of trees and not very much space, so they don't get the best light, but um, they're still growing and pretty healthy. So today is just giving them a light prune. So set this one aside. We'll start on this guy here. Kind of got a little contorted, twisty trunk here, and then I'm just kind of keeping it kind of cascading off to the side. So just take some of these long shoots that have grown up, bring those back. I'm looking forward to getting these outside here in the next week or two. I think the nighttime temperatures will be warm enough here in Texas to get my tropicals back outside, which will be nice. Get some real growth happening then. Get the internodes closer together, get fresh air, some sunshine. Exciting times. So I think that's just about there on this one. It's going to be a short video today. Just kind of keeping these guys in shape. These will probably be ones that go up on the selling block, maybe. I tend to sell a few trees during the spring and summer. Once I know that they're healthy and growing well, I'll post them and offer them up for someone else to take care of and continue their journey. But yeah, I kind of like the way that one looks there. So I think we'll leave that one like that for today. So I'll give you a quick spin around on it. Here's the front. There's the left side. There's the back. Right side. And back to the front. Set that one over here and take a look at this one. So this one here, kind of the same shape, a little shorter. I took the wire off of this tree a while back and it looks like it's still holding its shape, so that's good. Again, just keeping the growth in check. Just taking it back some. Keep the internodes short. Try to get it as dense as possible. Get them ready to get outside and growing in the fresh air and sunshine and warmth and all that good stuff that spring and summer bring. And this one here is a little more balanced design than the other one, where it kind of has more of an umbrella look, but it's still offset. It's offset in the pot a little bit, so I want this side to be a little longer than that side. I just think that looks a little better. Anyway, put this back a little bit up here. Just keep that top dense. looking pretty good. Still need to fill this area in here a little bit. I could bend some of those down, but I think I'm just gonna let it naturally fill in. Hopefully something will, still doesn't look too bad though. Since that's in the back, it still looks pretty full. This will continue to grow and fill that in. So yeah, it's on the way in the trunk. You can see that it's pretty kind of gnarly already. This has been in training for probably 3 years, maybe longer. I'm intentionally keeping this one small so it doesn't get away from me, so I can keep it small. We've got a little bit of root flare happening, so when I repot it, I'll raise that up a little bit, expose some of that root flare, so that'll be nice. Probably I might repot this later in the spring and summer, but still seems to be growing pretty good, so I don't know if it'll actually need a repot or not. So I think that's going to be it for today on that one. So we'll give you a quick spin around. There's the front, there's the left side, there's the back, and the right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.